Come in, come by.
No man.
The man that I love that.
You know where them things that I love it too colorful.
See, so we are say. Talk to me. What?
Me say, me couldn't sleep last night.
We make you couldn't sleep.
What? Pansy man no India beat her, me love.
Me rotted. No man come here. When we
He
talk.
beat her and broke one her hand.
So hold on there. No, last week he broke one hand.
He broke the next one last night.
Kiss me like a paraplegic in my turn her in her. Here's some nice from the road. I walk her down there.
No girl, let me ask you.
What? Sexy. Lord. Come here. We have the right thing for you, yeah. If you buy this, a man married to you same time. Are you that? Early marriage.
No, I just me don't want it today. Maybe next week.
You see how you damn back if you ever lay in love?
Hey, fix up down the road, a Girlie and Shirley.
Girlie and Shirley?
Yes.
What? Girlie and but Shirley has done that?
She going to the girl bathroom and give her one piece of ass.
Oh, where you
And leave that pearl, me never said nothing, no.
Girlie, why you there? Why you there? What you done? Oh, come in there. Me say, got it. Come here, mama. You run to the bicycle now, go break. Come on. What does it put break on the bicycle? Come on. Rotted. Walk on. Man, you must have me style. I walk.
Me say, you know you want them to run on the road. You know you want them to run.
Me hear a plot. I thought, go.
Me say the boy, I go let him have the right to beat the girl, you know.
No, man, but girl, you're too terrible, man. Eh?
Then wait. If a girl I take my man to them, they expect that she never get beaten.
No, but girl. Hey, I'm cousin and he must say something. But me don't understand you. You alone gone up at the girl, you're gone bust her ass and you breed. So what's the thing you done to your girlie?
Nah, me love. Let that thing happen. Let me tell you how it
Go,
go.
come in and that. Come on.
Say, me just go up at the girl yard when the piece of 2x2.
Yeah. Come on.
Then choose she the naked.
Yeah.
Me go catch her in the bathroom.
Why?
So she never want to come out. So me tear off the door.
Why?
Me say, when I look at her, she catch up in the bathroom. Me say, nasty king girl. And my man, you take?
Yeah.
Me say, dirty girl and my man, you take?
Yeah.
She not answer, I just give her one kick. Whap! Every teeth go out her head.
No, man, me and Sarah them broke.
One of them fracture. Me say when the girl couldn't take the beat no more, she run out naked.
Yeah.
And I go behind her, one flying kick. Whap! Pop one her ribs.
So wait, nobody will help her.
Them don't like her. Them say so she love take people, man, so them they glad. Me say you want to see her with her naked kid. I run down the road with her big heavy titty, them a bubble people.
Look, but girl, you should have broke the foot then too.
She lucky.
Yes, she gonna country, gonna cool off.
She make her stay a country now. Because if I ever catch her down your back, I burn her up with that seed.
No, but don't, girl, you serious.
Let me tell you something, you see like when I breed, I didn't want to talk, me kill smarty man.
But girl, you know easy, you breathe and you fight, suppose not them to you.
Not a thing now. Anyway, me soon come back and pack out some things.
Nobody make that girl that beat you, know, or else if he stop them.
Where do you get you come from?
But I'm a friend! All right! You rotted, my friend Bob, no rotted, you know. What's my girl, us? And if you don't say nothing, they must have been made to rotted. Yeah, come on.
Wow.
Where, Sarah, Bassi?
Me can't broke down.
Eh?
And the prodigal return. Come up.
Well, the tea, you come back.
Well, look like you.
Hey, then tea. Me know you say you turn big photo for the bank.
Porter can be.
What you mean?
There's only for 20 years old, you look that talk to man like them a boy.
Yeah.
Tony, do this for me. Tony,
Yeah.
pass this for me. And me if you answer them, come in, miss it.
me, T?
Big 30 a day old man like a
No,
me.
so what did say? What did say, T? What did say?
She don't know yet. She know. This morning I just told her that I was going to come in a bit late.
Eh.
And then me organize myself and come.
No, but T, when you find out you not go come back down your field.
Come back for you.
For you.
Don't chat fat of me. She do for her one thing and me do my own.
Yeah.
Come here.
What?
What? Me ratty.
Oh, what?
The one divine call me up at the bank. Bad body yesterday, you know.
What you say to me, T?
No pearl, imagine.
Eh.
Me do over one side of the bank.
Yeah.
And she do over the other side. And she call me. Call me loud, you know. Tony! Tony! Give this to Mrs. Williamson. I said, I'm coming divine and soon come and doing something.
Yeah.
I want it done this minute. Loud, loud, on top of I said no.
No, man, but they shouldn't do that, T.
Here I know. Furthermore, my name is Mrs. King.
Hell.
So kindly address me as such in the future. And my wife is attached to me.
T, what you say to me, T? What you say to me?
You don't hear nothing yet?
Yeah.
Pearl, hear the worst fullest part of the job. When I go for the document,
Yeah.
the lady who she want me to get the document to, sit down this on the decks and divine sit down this one.
This T, you too lie, man. Too lie, man. You too lie.
As I got, told me well and broke me neck if I like.
What you say, T? What you say
So
to me?
Mr. Divine, no Mrs. Williams, this why you couldn't get to her
Of course.
No, before Divine could answer.
Eh.
The lady, Mrs. Williams, said, Divine, I could have came for it.
Yeah.
Here she, Erica. I thank you, but it's his job, and he must do it right. Me pay you already? Me pay you?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Someone I could go like my man, but them have a boy, y'all.
So, T, what you say? What you say, T?
Pearl,
Eh,
them have some little square machine, something on the desk where they add
yeah.
up with.
The
I was going,
calculator.
I was going to take up where they were rascal, you see.
And that you should have done.
But me not bother say nothing, me just go, mommy, yeah.
That you should have done.
When she comes here, quarrel out, me see big inspector.
Eh.
And me call her up, me say me. No, you cause the excitement.
At all.
She said she that try and impress the inspector. And me embarrass her.
Oh, God.
Girl,
Eh.
I never say another word. I just name me in anger on my bed. And then me organize myself and come down. See me here?
Anyway, T, I'm glad you come back.
Hey.
Me did kind of miss you.
You know how much you did miss me, sir?
Let me show our lips, man.
Eh? What? Show me teach you to sell.
That too? Then T, oh yeah, go like your idiot, so me did have plans for you.
What kind of plans? What kind of plans?
T, man, me not like how you go like your idiot.
Lord, but I pack on me stall, yeah.
So wait, hey T, how you get started so quick? How you get started so quick?
What you mean?
Hey.
Me that plan for this for a long time.
So wait, you did plan to come back?
What you mean? You know, born for done porter, you know. Me born for sell.
Beg pardon. Sexy, come here. Me have something for you now. Come buy something for me now, darling. See, come on.
Ah! Lady of dark complexion. Come on over to my direction. Let us sell you something for your section. No, man, you said this have too much clothes. You have too much clothes. This is one we're a daytime now. And you that? Put on that I look a boyfriend mad. Pose and go on. Let me a bag. Check back next week. I have something nice for you, yeah? You see it, Noah?
Yes, me see.
So I'm to your little guy now.
Oh, him? Me run him long time, man. All him want to come breed me.
Not too penny of him.
But I love Tasman, so me left him.
Will it take you long to find that out, eh?
Why? And look how you are trying it, even though they want you to stay home. 18 is a man like you, me want, you know.
A man like me, army.
They're not the same thing, man.
Girl. Watch yourself, you know.
What?
Me dangerous, you know.
18, you see you can't do me nothing. You hurt me.
Me not gonna hurt you.
What you gonna do?
Me just going to blow your mind.
That me want. Then what on? How will you have so? What you have so?
Silver stock.
Yes, Steve.
Hey, you know, see Divine no want me if you come down here.
Eh?
Because me make her experience the bursting of the clouds. And then our rain just start fall. Chicky.
So TV, you know what? Come bust my cloud too. Eh? Come bust it now.
It might mad you.
But T,
Eh?
I don't think Divine can manage you, man. She can't manage.
How we are chatting?
She can't manage that, man.
You see, I'll Divine I go on like shifts, tuition, and script. Hey, she knows stuff, you know.
What?
Pearl,
What?
come here. One night, my friend Georgie,
Yeah.
and give me some drinks. Sarsaparilla, old root, Tantaria, and some tan panilang. Everything mixed up in a one. Pearl, you see, when I drink this up, me turn up so. Not yet.
Yes.
Pearl,
Eh.
you see, when Divine come home,
Yeah.
me decide to go on a long journey.
Oh yes.
Non-stop flight,
Yeah.
motorway style, no traffic lights. Pearl,
Eh.
3 hours of hardcore uninterrupted loving.
No man. 3 hours.
Non-stop.
You're too lying.
How
You
you chatting?
can't do 3 hours.
Miss-
Yeah, yeah, Taylor.
Straight.
What?
Pearl,
Yeah.
after me go on.
Yes.
When me catch up on myself, me say, right, she's supposed to dead. Me say, right, funeral arrangement have to go make, you know.
Yes.
I'm have to bury her.
Yes.
Just when I looking at the darkness, happy your teeth me see. I hear her.
Yeah.
You ready to go again?
So T, where you go?
I say, well, on sweetheart, I soon come.
Yeah.
And Pearl,
Eh.
I go round in the bathroom and I go gas up again.
Yeah.
And you see, due to her hair long,
Eh.
me grab on pan her hair like a horse.
Oh yes. Yes.
Listen, girl,
Eh.
one at a time now, I flash me whip in a slow motion. You think me easy?
You're bad, T. And then T, when we can't get some of that something off, man, you want some for drink. When we can't get some.
Me have a buckle right here so with me.
What?
Me always travel with a buckle, man.
Eh?
Just in case something drop in my lap.
Plenty. You know, sister, something that drop.
Myself, me will fling it on your right on the sidewalk.
That's the one. All right,
Me will catch up. Get all this
that's the one.
Francis, you come back from me again.
Evil spirit. You're still full of chat here.
Why you must come this come short me, Mr. Man Paul, like that if you come do. One, you know big quote up by your wife bank. It's when you come down, you come mix up with the fire, Man Paul.
Hey, who bother with them things there again, man? Just ease off, no girl. Ease off, man.
No, she would have big old yabba mouth.
Yeah.
She feel like when John Crab eats. Come here.
And if you think it, why are you child?
You! Come here. Let me tell you something.
I wonder if you want me damage him in here today.
Damage.
I wonder if you want
Girl, when you go down and walk to clear your barrel,
Hey.
you ever see some big old ugly dog down there?
Yeah.
Burn!
Hey.
No food, no down the square dog there, no.
Hey.
So their head get big and square like that one. So we call them wolf dog. Get away! Wolf dog!
Girl, just easy, girl. Easy. You know, fine.
I'm going to damage you out here today.
Damage what?
How you know you can't wrestle me, you know?
Damage
You know that,
Wrestling.
It's alright. It's alright. You're not turn down here, you know. I don't know how him come get started, but he's not turn down here, you know.
Easy,
You
easy.
can't stop it.
We were Susie.
You can't stop
We were Susie.
Hi, how you doing? How you doing? What about these today? You look nice though. You didn't enter contest last year? Which one, Mr. World? Jesus. Let me give you a bag.
Lane Red! Come on over here and let your ego be fed. And there's something that stop for a long time. You see that shoes here? This not reach Jamaica yet. Give me 1,500 and go on and you that.
Where's the next food?
Check me next week for the other food.
Hey, Paul! You don't come take from a customer?
No, but girl, the customer free, you know. Anybody can buy from anybody.
The same little child say, shop come there, but come check me and see them take her from me.
Come on, customer free.
But after you can't hold nobody, your personality is obnoxious.
See him right. Hey, boy, I'm tired of you don't know. Where are you from? I'm tired of you don't know. We don't know. See him.
All,
Yeah,
just ease down them things, man.
How you do?
Hey, 1, 2, 12 now. Just stand now, man. Hey, Girlie, remember you're breathing now. Tony, she pregnant. Just easy, remember you're
Shabrid! Then which man so desperate?
So you're fasting there, be the father now, but
You
the father chop you
never
down.
come here, baby father. You're too
No,
late.
no,
You're too late. You never come here, Girlie. You never come here, baby father.
Baganize!
Miracle.
Baganize!
Tony,
Baganize!
I'm an a gunman. He will kill you, Congo.
All right.
Tony, Congo.
Hey!
What?
If me I go dead, make me dead right there, sir.
No, team. Team, you don't want nothing to you, no man. Vicious, he will kill you.
Who dead first get longer rest?
Hey, team. Just come cool off your mouth now, so till everything cool off, man.
And face the vine?
Yeah, man.
I prefer face the gun, man.
Team, you man, I will kill you,
Make
no.
me kill you.
Team, no, man. Team, you don't want nothing to you, no, team.
Good.
Team, man, it's not bitch. Girlie, just easy now. Don't them things.
No, man.
Don't it, girlie.
See me, I come chop me now.
Girlie.
No, man, no, I come chop.
Girlie, just...
No. I want him come chuck me now.
No, but girl, just done them things and man. Easy now, girl.
No, man. Him say, if me bring me dirty king teeth in man one way, I go do him. So me why you come do it now? If
Hey,
me
boy.
bring me teeth in man, so come do it now.
Hey, boy. Yo, Star. You say don't you beat up my woman.
What me can answer? You know, if you're talking, me bring me teeth in man, me old gunman, criminal man, one way, so come do it now. Come chuck me now. That more you don't come chuck me.
Because you what the bad man now.
Star. Easy, Star. Hey, some magnum that's very hot.
Liga, make us your hot lick.
Boss. Hear me the boss, the school the boss. Hey, boss. You shoot you, Star. You shoot you, man. I can throw up there, man, Star.
Hey,
Jano.
me no yes you shoot man already Rasta.
Star. But again, you are you. You shoot you, man. Hey, the ends are trying to frighten you, Star.
Will you frighten you no star? So next time I might not be so lucky so they do.
Boss. Yeah, play your Star. Yeah, play your Star. You think me an idiot, man? You think I'm gonna shoot you as a Star?
All right.
There's so much people out here, so man. You think you're a fool?
Yeah.
If him can't do it, take the gun from him here. Take the gun from him now.
When you're around, you're not gonna take it. Hey, are you guys are listening?
They never man.
All the while, go get yourself that trouble, I'm gonna come bail you out.
So you man, what you
She not
expect?
gonna get any no more trouble because you're dead.
Boss! Hear me, boss.
Yeah.
Hear me, boss.
Yeah.
She just come up there and come show me around his boss. I believe
All right, get up and go on now. Get up and go on.
You mean that, Star?
Yeah, get up and go on.
Respect, sir. Respect here.
Yeah.
Respect here. Hey, are you
Leave her.
She guys is Star.
Yeah, go leave her.
So what else? Oh yeah, come take up the iron now.
Me no like violence, trust me. Me and I might not be, but me no like violence. Hey boy, you see you? Come here, boy. Come here, hey, come here this boy. No, all right, not coming further. Go on.
Oh yeah, go on, sister.
Go on.
Easy.
Yeah.
See you? Wait till you come home, see? Easy.
Boy! You're right. Hey, if you never run a shoot off the glass, it's off and feel. I will play you no lesson.
And why you not go from me?
When Christmas come and you, we are going to fill up the gas balloon them.
If you not go here, you see you go look for me.
Hey, Gordon, you must have got seen and just saved from a bus house a while ago.
He must see me from what me used to be beating long time. Then I could have defend myself.
Hey, no leave me get trapped, I say you defend yourself. Right? watch my things then, I can't just go get police.
Alright.
No, leave me again, Trevor, no, leave me again, Trevor. So come here, off now. I don't make dry foot boy, they make you in pop. Eh? No, leave me again, Trevor. Boy,
I must do that boy that's something in a mouth.
Hey, what call him not so bad still in him? Just see if your man him not too bad.
Me know, David, how you always take up film, so.
You not take up fame.
I would turn up to.
You not up to nothing, man.
Sometimes I wonder. Must who be them over me to rot.
Where is he? Where is he?
You mean Tony?
That non-ambitious shit? After all I do for him, set him up at the bank and him leave it for this?
So wait, so what happened to this?
Listen, Pearl. You don't want to come into my argument, you know, because I know it's she inveigled him to come back down.
No, Divine, you have it wrong.
Listen, I know what I'm talking about. She been after my husband for a long time.
Hey, girl. Hey, you better move from there before I pop up your ass down here, girl.
You know what? I always knew you envied me, you know, because I'm always better off than you.
Just behave yourself. Behave yourself, follow that.
You should come down here, trouble from me, trouble.
Sit down, man.
hey, this is rotted. Just when me can go get police there. You there?
Yes, I die.
Anyway, I leave now, you know. So come, anyway, come back, let's go.
Just let me go. True, you want to come back down here to your gal. You leave a nice job I got for you.
Which nice job? You want me to be a down at you for the rest of my life? That can't work. Needs a man.
You don't want to make I want laugh.
You know what? You go and laugh on the other side. What's wrong with cheers when I'm done with you?
What are you? What's wrong with you? Eh?
Yes, you think I'm a fool. You think I'm an idiot. I know it's she. Why you come back down here?
That?
It's 8 years I know you, not 20, and I know what turned your head.
That the wife dog dead?
Yes, I know it's those roughneck ghetto women you like.
But if she was the last woman on this earth, I would have preferred there with Miss Palmer and her 5 daughters. So more.
You see, you little slut.
What are you?
She's a long time I want you up. Don't
Can you fight? Huh? You can fight? I said, come in, you pack up the things them, and then you go home, go down.
Well, go on.
You said for a long time.
Bitch, you want.
Oh, yes. Bitch.
No, but girl, you're prison on this, you know.
Prisoner make the dog. I couldn't take no more in there to the pearl. I couldn't take no more.
No, girl, go on home. You pack up your things, them and come. Ratterbox. No. I wonder if Tonya was stay with Divine. Now that she gone up with the acid. I wonder if it's my time to get some action. Not to bother man. Let me talk out your things then. I need some action. A tender satisfaction. Hey, Tony. Let me Trevor, we have down here. Trevor.
So you have to call all the boy name to me.
No, man. Tony seems to
Then why did you go?
Him can't run out of the station.
I want to call my name, you know.
Me not think so. But Trevor, what y'all do down here? Me don't want nobody see me again, you know, Trevor.
So I want to know, you know. You see where me are? Come on here. Sure. Hey. Hey, me I show you the pearl. You see where me come? And what? Maybe I come. Sure.
Easy, Trevor. Easy.
Come on, come embarrass
Yeah,
yourself.
man. Yeah,
Sure.
man. Me see when you take away gun from you.
Easy, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, me hear some nice song, it's warm.
Girl, you know, just acid Divine.
Hey, that girl is too dark and ignorant, you know. You adore some. Anyway, before she come back, what am the thing between me and you?
Boy, me have mine, you know, about you.
Me cool, man.
Yeah. So, Trevor, where you get money from so quick?
Easy, no, man. They get money from Girlie, plus me have my own.
Trevor, me don't like them things, there, you know, Trevor.
Easy, the pearl, man. Keep it down, keep it down. Hey, you see when you buy the house, we just get our outers.
No.
I don't know.
But Trevor, me not supposed to come and see me.
Hey, that girl is too dark and ignorant, you know. Hey, me have a left her, you know. Hey, you see me? The girl like you, me like, you know, because you're nice.
True, Trevor.
You know, you mean never say nothing to me, no mean?
No, Trevor.
You come up at the house
Trevor,
later.
no, come anyway, come go on.
All right.
Come go on quick, Trevor.
Later, see?
Yes, Trevor. Rotted! We are gonna get house, yeah! Our sister Pearlie in the area, murderer! Rotted boy.
After I left, Miss Wang go on.
Maybe the man late, him not say would be a little late.
But him have the whole of my money and the suit time to go to the airport.
Boy, girl, me never like how you give a man the all of your money, you know. Me think you should have give him half and when you get the dollars, you give him the other half.
Him fool man is him I do business with all the while. Sometimes it's all 100,000 him have for me, so they sell like a 50,000 a monkey money.
That may be so girl, but you saw a baby, you should have saved up most of your money to buy your goods.
Him alright man, him say him have a deal come true.
No, but girlie, you take up all that 14,000 US and let him? It's what kind of business that?
Him say I get a house to buy and the owner want the money in the US, so me just give him the money and make up the balance.
No, but girlie, if you not go buy a house, you're supposed to go with him, go sign paper, all that, you know. Next thing you hear, see a film name alone, they on the title.
After Trevor na mad. After I know want me throw a hot tile in the ears when him asleep.
That is if you get a chance to sleep with him. Eh? All him have to do, you know, is just move alone and you lose out.
He must want me chop off one of him foot.
Or he might just bring Shirley with him, then the years would have
Bad
started.
girl, if you not know, shut your mouth, yeah? You look like you want me to go to Westmoreland Field.
So what are you do? And a St. Thomas again?
No, me love St. Thomas half out now.
What?
Westmoreland and Clarendon, I carry the swing.
No, but seriously, though, you know, Gurney, me not like your position right now, you know. You have to come stay with me. For the kind of police I look for you. Her titty them burn up. And I hear patchy where your mother up with the acid.
You look here. I try to breathe, I don't want nothing to my youth. It's a